Problem 122, Quantum Mechanics. The question is, a system of spin-half particles is prepared to be in the eigenstate of sigma z with the eigenvalue plus 1. The system is rotated by an angle of 60 degrees about the x-axis. After the rotation, the fraction of the particles that will be measured to be in the eigenstate of sigma z with the eigenvalue plus 1 is. In the present problem, the eigenstate of sigma z is rotated along the x direction and we have to find out the new eigenstate. Now what happens when the rotational operator acts on the spin-up state of sigma z? We have the rotation operator is cos theta by 2 I sin theta by 2 I sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, which is the rotation operator along the x direction, which is acting on the spin-up state of sigma z, that is 1 0. That is the state 1 0 is rotated along the x direction. The new state is cos theta by 2 I sin theta by 2. Matrix cos theta by 2 I sin theta by 2. In the present problem, it is given that the rotation angle, the angle of rotation is 60 degree along the x direction. Therefore, the new states after rotation is matrix root of 3 by 2 and I by 2, because the angle is 60 degree. Therefore, cos theta by 2 is root 3 by 2 and I sin theta by 2 is I by 2. Now this new state after rotation along the x direction by 60 degree, that is matrix root 3 by 2 and I by 2, we can express it in terms of the spin up state and spin down states of sigma z. That is, we can write the matrix root 3 by 2 I by 2 as root 3 by 2 1 0 matrix 1 0 plus I by 2 the matrix 0 1, so that our new states after rotating by an angle 60 degree along the x direction becomes root of 3 by 2 the state z up plus I by 2 into state z down. That is a linear combination of spin up and spin down state. Here the state z up, that is actually the state 1 0 with eigenvalue plus 1. Now in the present problem, we have to find out the probability of finding the particle in the eigenstate of sigma z with eigenvalue plus 1. That is, we have to find out the probability of finding the particle in the state 1 0. 1 0 is the state corresponding to the eigenvalue plus 1 of sigma z. And this is nothing but the square of the amplitude corresponding to the state 1 0. That is P, we can write it as root of 3 by 2 whole square, that is equal to 3 by 4. Hence, from the given option D is the right answer.